Hold it up. Awesomeness.
You can catch fish the whole day if I have to. Hold on. Right there. Here we go, folks. Tennessee River. Striped bass fishing. There's one. Fish on. Fish on. Oh yeah, that's a big one. That.
Look at that.
There you go, baby. Look at that.
Awesome.
There's more. Where that came from? They're right behind me, Debbie. Look over here. Oh, fish on.
Stop the madness.
Look at that, huh?
Stop the madness.
Rolling. We're going again. Going for 3 in a row. Here we go.
That's so funny.
There's more. Look at him churning over there, babe. See all that? All right, I'm going after him. Here we go, folks. Oh, he took it before it even hit the water.
You can hear him. You can just hear him.
Look at that, huh? There goes the popo. He's on. Oh, he got off. Oh, he's on. Another one. Look at that, Debbie. Going again. Keep it rolling, mama.
There goes the
Fish
popo.
on.
He's got another one. He's got another one.
That's a big
He's
one.
just wearing it
Look
out.
at that, 1881 style. Look at
Woo-hoo.
that. Oh, they're just hammering now, people.
Oh my goodness. Show it to the camera.
Look at there. Gotta go.
Can't be fast. I mean, it has to be fast.
Oh.
Oh, something came over here. Look at that. There's the lure.
Huh?